So here's my final flip through. Now I didn't have everything on here that I showed on camera for me drawing it, so especially this first page. So this is from the front cover of the book, and this is my birthday month. December is my birthday month, so that's probably why I decided to spend some time doing this whole video and filming myself drawing. So this is the first page. And you guys saw me drawing this, and then I added in the dates. And I decided just to pick the pages from the book, just a really condensed version of the story. We all know the story. Most people know the story, right? So I started off and I wrote in with just on the Micron 01 pens, the Grinch hated Christmas. And then he says, I must find some way to stop Christmas from coming. I like this. It came out good. And then you saw me drawing this. What a great Grinchy trick. With this coat and this hat, I look just like Saint Nick. And this is my birthday week. If I can't find a reindeer, I'll make one instead. And then I decided just to pick, even the picture in the book, you guys saw me drawing it. He doesn't really look like the Grinch there. He looks like a different character, but even in the book it looks a little different. But the poor Max, his dog, looks the same. All the Who's were all dreaming, sweet dreams without care. I know I'm going to feel compelled to write everything in my days of the week in black or red. Just to stay matching, right? And why are you taking our Christmas tree? Said Cindy Lou Who. There's a light on this tree that won't light on one side, as the Grinch fibbed to Cindy Lou Who. But then, when he gets home with all of the Who's Christmas presents, why? This sound sounded merry. What he saw was a shocking surprise. This is my cardio tracker. It didn't come out really neat, so I didn't draw any of the Grinch in here. But this is what I keep track of my cardio every day, and I keep notes, and I walk most days. I'm not teaching a lot of cardio aerobic classes anymore. I'm walking. I really learned to love walking during the past couple of years. And then I write notes where I went. I also do a little bit of shopping in there. Who I speak to. And here's the next, going back to the book. So I took the copy and put all the Who's singing. Every Who down in Whoville, the tall and the small, was singing without any presents at all. He hadn't stopped Christmas from coming. It came. Somehow or other, it came just the same. So this is my memories page. I keep every single day. I pick something of the day, and sometimes I don't have very much to have some kind of little picture. But yesterday, I caught a skunk on mistake in a cat trap, and I was trying to catch the feral cats. There seems to be way too many feral cats in the past couple of years. I was trying to catch them to get them neutered by the programs, and I caught a skunk. So I'm going to have something very interesting to write and draw a skunk for yesterday. So back to the Grinch. He himself, the Grinch, carved the roast beef. And my last page is I always keep this spread every month in projects, what I'm working on. I'm still working on my book. I'm almost finished my book. I'm reading my journals. I kept 16 journals taking care of my mother. So I'm rereading them just to make sure I've got everything in the book. And then what I also do is I keep this memory key. I write down what the memory was, and then I try to figure out what it is just from the picture. Sometimes I do write words, but I do try to write the picture more, just to challenge my brain. So then this is the key in case I can't remember it. And then every single month I write key learning. Sometimes there's quotes in here. Sometimes it's just interesting facts I learned during the month. Usually when I'm reading all my graphic books and books, I keep that in separate book notes if there's a lot. But if there's just a little bit that I learned, I put it here. And then I'll reread it before I finish the month. And then I finished putting this was in the back of the book, The Grinch Stole, so I decided to copy that for here. So thanks a lot for watching. This is Kayleen. I'm almost finished with Mom Remembers Me. I would really appreciate a like, and if you could possibly subscribe. I'm sorry to bug you guys to subscribe. I only have very few subscribers, but I really liked my setup this month, and I hope you did too. And have a Happy New Year. And I'm going to be starting doing more of this, and every month I'm going to pick a different classic cartoon. And next month I'm going to pick Yogi Bear. Smarter than the average bear. Happy New Year. See you next year.